Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam, Sir and Madam. I'm Janet Cervantes. I live in Antipolo, Rizal. I 37 years old. I have 3 kids, married. Uh,
Okay, continue please.
and
How many children you have?
3.
3 children. Okay. How old?
The first one, 16 years old.
Mm-hmm.
The second one, 15.
Mm-hmm.
15.
Mm-hmm.
And the last one, 9 years old.
Okay. What did you finish? What is your educational attainment?
I'm graduate from the Ocampo Memorial College.
Okay.
My course is midwife.
Midwife.
Yes,
How many
ma'am.
years?
2 years.
2 years. Do you have trainings in the hospital?
As a volunteer
Mm-hmm.
and barangay volunteer.
Mm-hmm.
I work before I go to Dubai. I work in the clinic,
Mm-hmm.
maternity lying in,
Mhm.
year 2007 until 2008, and
Okay.
I work again in family health care diagnostic clinic.
Here in the Philippines only.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
thing. Yeah, okay. Continue, please.
2007 to 2008.
Mm-hmm.
My position there is medical assistant. My duties and responsibilities there are how to vital signs the patients,
Mm-hmm.
record information,
Okay.
take the newborn baby,
Mm-hmm.
how to thermometer like this.
Mm-hmm. So you have a lot of experience taking care of the bedridden, old, elderly, and the newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell us about your work experience.
Work experience in Dubai.
In Dubai, how
Yes.
many years?
2 years, my
2 years.
2 years.
Okay, what is your duties there?
My duties there as in private babysitter.
Mm-hmm. How many person you serve?
Uh, before we go, the baby is 3 months.
Mhm.
Until my finish contract, the baby is 2 years old.
So you take care of the baby to 3 months old up to 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your other duties aside from taking care of babysit for the baby?
Sometimes my friend there in the house, I will help clean, iron,
Mm-hmm.
how to teach cook,
Mm-hmm.
and wash the clothes.
Mm-hmm. How many person you serve there in Dubai?
Only 2 couples and 1 baby.
One couple in mother, father,
Mother,
and then
father,
the
yes,
baby. Okay. What about naughty little children? Do you have patients taking care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if the 2 kids fighting in front of you?
I will ask them why he's fighting. I tell her it's bad,
Mhm.
and I will try and try to prevent again.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
I know to cook the Filipino dish, but I want to learn. If will teach me the employer to Chinese food.
Okay. What will you do if your employer asks you not to take day off for a week or even for a month because they have important things to attend? Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
This is my priority.
Okay. Can you sing a simple song for little children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Take the diamond in the sky.
Okay. Do you know what is domestic helper means?
Domestic helper means all responsibilities, cures in the household,
Mm-hmm.
about iron,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
take care of the baby if we have the baby,
Mm-hmm.
and etc.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it possible there's an old man or old women may be sick or bedridden living with your employer? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want work in Hong Kong?
Because why
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ano lang po. Because,
You want to work in Hong Kong
yes, because high salary,
given
given as domestic helper,
Mhm.
obedience, and trustly, hardworking,
Mhm.
and honest, and flexible, and smart.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to a prospective employer?
Sir and Madam, please choose me as domestic helper.
Mhm.
I try my best. I give my knowledge and responsibilities on duties. I be patient.
Mhm.
If we ask, I will do.
Okay. How old are you?
37.
37. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.